Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a tree map within Tableau. So let's go over here to show me, and then we can hover over the tree map. Now, I personally really like this tree map just because I don't know why my brain just works super well with it. For the tree map, it says that we need one dimension, we need two measures to create this. Now, if we look down at those pills down here in the bottom right hand corner, we can see that the pills for measure are green and dimensions are blue. So we're going to want to have two greens and one blue. So I'm going to choose country because I feel like that is good for Treemap. And then let's go ahead and look at some dimensions here. Let's do sales and let's do profit. We can have both of those in there. Now, if I go over to Treemap, now we can see it's breaking it down just to the United States. Now that makes me think that, okay, maybe we only have United States. Let's go ahead and change this to the state. That definitely does help a good amount. Let me get rid of this. But as you can see, it is now breaking things down by state. This data set, typically, you might think, oh, this could be good for a pie chart, but I feel like 50 categories plus is going to be too big for a pie chart. If you're going for a pie chart or something like this is where the tree map would come into play, and I feel like it could work out super well to where you can see where all of the sales and the profits are broken down by state. Now, we will have to do some type of cleaning of our data or just manipulating of the data, because having it say what the country is, and then let's see if I can actually get rid of country, and then there we go. We can see that now it is just showing the state instead. So this is how you would create a tree map within Tableau. Now, there are different things that we can do to change up the visualization. We can edit the colors here. Let's say if we wanted to, we could definitely do a custom one. Let's say red. I wonder if they have a red, white, and blue. Yes, we do. Okay, we got a red, white, and blue one here. And then you can reverse the colors, or you can choose a full color range. You can do a stepped color to where it's choosing specific colors. That would be great if you wanted to include a legend there as well. But I am going to exit out of this. Now you can see that color palette has changed here. And as you hover over it, you can see what the different measures are. From here, if we wanted to save, we can either save or save as. Now, I've already saved this worksheet, so I'm just going to click save. But if not, then go ahead and save it to your Tableau workbook. But that is going to be how to create a tree map within Tableau. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at Emily Call MBA. I am a LinkedIn learning instructor over there, and we will be releasing a Tableau course there soon. But thank you again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.